Hello there! Welcome to our guide on website hosting in the USA. Ever wondered what makes your website tick? It's all about website hosting, the silent engine powering your online presence. With the right hosting provider, your website becomes a well-oiled machine, accessible to millions across the internet. But with the wrong one, well, let's just say it's not a pretty site. So, are you ready to delve into the world of website hosting? Let's go. First things first, what exactly is website hosting? Well, think of it as renting a space on the internet. When you create a website, you need somewhere to store all its data, files, and content. This somewhere is a server provided by a hosting company. It's like leasing a storefront for your online business. In the world of website hosting, there are three main types to consider. Firstly, shared hosting, where your website shares server space with other websites. It's affordable but can be slower if your roommates are using a lot of resources. Secondly, we have virtual private server or VPS hosting. Here, you still share a server, but you have your own dedicated portion of it, which means better performance. Lastly, there's dedicated hosting. As the name suggests, you have an entire server to yourself, offering the best performance but at a higher cost. Now that we understand what website hosting is, it's crucial to know how to choose the right provider. Choosing the right provider is not a decision to take lightly. It's like choosing a home for your website, so let's consider the essentials. First up, uptime and reliability. This is the cornerstone of your website's online presence. You want a provider with a strong track record of keeping sites up and running smoothly, because even a few minutes of downtime can lead to lost visitors and revenue. Next, think about customer support. When things go wrong, and they sometimes do, you need a provider that's ready and able to help swiftly and effectively. Look for providers that offer multiple communication channels like live chat, phone, and email support. Also, consider scalability. As your website grows, your hosting needs will change. Can the provider accommodate this growth? And let's not forget about security features and backup options. With the increasing threats online, you need a provider that prioritizes your website's security and offers reliable backup options. Remember, your hosting provider can make or break your website's success. The USA market is teeming with hosting providers, but who are the big players? Let's take a brief tour. Bluehost is a household name in the industry, known for its robust performance and excellent 24/7 customer service. They offer a range of plans catering to individuals, small businesses, and even large corporations. Next, we have SiteGround, a provider that prides itself on super fast speeds and top-notch security. They offer a unique blend of features, making them a favorite among tech-savvy users. Lastly, let's not forget HostGator, a provider known for its affordability and flexibility. They offer a variety of plans, making it a go-to choice for startups and cost-conscious entrepreneurs. Each of these providers offers different pricing structures and features, targeting different types of users. So as you look for a hosting provider, remember to consider your specific website needs. Choosing a provider should ultimately align with your specific website needs. Now let's talk about the dollars and cents of website hosting. Pricing structures generally fall into three categories: shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. Shared hosting, the most affordable, houses multiple sites on one server. VPS hosting offers more resources at a higher price. Dedicated hosting, the priciest, provides a server all to yourself. It's essential to choose a plan that fits your site's needs and anticipated traffic. Some plans even offer special features or discounts. A well-selected plan can provide value for money and ensure your website runs smoothly. So, you've chosen a provider and a plan. What's next? Well, the first step toward setting up your website involves registering a domain. This is essentially your website's address on the internet, like a virtual storefront. Once you've secured your domain, the next step is selecting a hosting plan. This is where your website will live online, so choose a plan that aligns with your website's size and traffic expectations. Now, with a domain and hosting plan in hand, it's time to install a content management system, or CMS. Think of a CMS like WordPress as your website's foundation. It's where you'll design, manage, and update your site. Most hosting providers offer a one-click installation for popular CMS platforms. Remember, the process of setting up your website isn't a one-time task. It's a journey of continuous improvement and optimization. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching your website. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some additional tips and best practices. Regular backups and updates are critical. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, happy hosting!